Hi.
What did we get?
I got it.
Oh, jeez. Not in her face, Jim.
I got one for my mouth.
A new foam blaster.
Oh my god, I got it.
Spit. Spit. There you go. Use your shirt and wipe your face.
I need to go wash
Just
my
wipe
mouth.
your face with your shirt. There you go.
Yeah.
Don't shoot her in the face. No face shots. Okay, back
Yeah,
up.
because you might get
Get away
in
from my
your
car.
mouth. It's very yucky. Ah!
You have
Hey!
to fill it up before you shoot.
Ah!
The first one we got was broken. So we got a hold of the company, Little Kids.
So now I got a blue one.
And they sent us a new one. Thank you, Little Kids Incorporated.
But I don't know if this is from Zuru.
No, it's not.
Probably the company is called Solver.
It's from Little Kids Incorporated. These things are pretty cool. At least we got two that work now. We got a little one for in the meantime, but it's just not as cool as these big electric ones. Jim, you can't drop it like that, okay? Because your screw will come out and your batteries won't work.
It's like Call of Duty, but with full blast.
Yeah. Call of Duty Foam Edition. Don't waste all your foam on the trees.
It's like Call of Duty with foam blaster.
Oh,
Ah!
scared me. What?
Can you hold this?
Ah! Why am I holding it? You're having a phone. Don't just throw it, Jim.
I can do a prank.
Don't shoot his gun.
Now, I'll try to shoot on myself. Aye!
Don't shoot me, I'm the mom. Okay, do a big shot so we can see it on camera. Not at me. Shoot that way.
I need to fill it.
Shoot it that way.
Ah!
No,
Oops.
that way so we can see it on camera. Woo! It's pretty cool. You love it?
Yeah, it's cool.
You glad you got a new one that works?
It's like, Luigi playing Ghostbusters. Don't dare you shoot me! No. Ah!
It's like a kill cam.
Oh! Oh, sorry,
You
sorry.
missed.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching.
Check out these Foam Mania foam blasters. They're pretty cool.
Ah!
If you're tired of regular old squirt guns,
I could shoot the whole camera with this.
check these out. But don't, she'll break my phone. Bye.